We believe at CSI this is the next big thing in pest control.
This became a game changer. I think game changers in the industry were, Termidor was one. I'm going to say when gel baits came out, that was a game changer. The newest one is the Doxem bait. And it's not just the product, but it's the application device that changed everything. It looks more professional. It's a professional tool. So a technician coming into a commercial account, a hospital, a restaurant, when they're working this device and a manager is kind of observing what they're doing, they're going, that is high tech, it is professional, and it's precise. Everybody, my team, they took it, and now they're kind of the cheering squad. And that doesn't happen a lot. You don't get technicians who get excited about stuff as well or as much as they did when we put this in their hands.
Why not use a product that is innovative, right? I mean, if you've got something that you can use that a lot of the other PCOs around you is not using, it's going to give you a step up on them, right? And that's what you want to do. You want to be above, you want to be ahead of the game in your particular city or state or wherever you're at. And this is the way to do it. This is the way to get into accounts using products and using a delivery system that nobody else has right now.
So we did some work in the laboratory setting. We wanted to know how long will this product last once the application is made. So we know if bait is still there, we know it'll kill cockroaches for 2 years after the application is made. And where I see this to be hugely beneficial are those accounts that P&Ps are only able to access perhaps once every year or every 18 months. The next big thing in pest control, you're looking at it.